Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babyx token. Now the Babyx token is getting a brand new central exchange on a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it says here their Twitter is at TTM_Babyx. Now, on their Twitter there, you can find a link to their Telegram as well. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen so you guys can easily find this project. It has a link to their Telegram as well at BabyxEthMoon. And then a link to their webpage, babyx.club. And that's all on their Twitter right there. 5,387 Twitter followers, 142 posts. And one of their most recent tweets is talking about this brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. It says, Babyx is a meme coin on Ethereum and coming to Mexc October 27th, 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Babyx, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, October 27th, 13 hours UTC time. Babyx is the ticker symbol. Baby Space X is the name of the token. Now, there is 937 holders so far. There is an insane amount of tokens here. That is a million, billion, trillion. 4,218 quadrillion Babyx tokens. A lot of tokens. 9 decimal places on this token here. So their Telegram has 21,505 members, 1,126 online. Babyx EthMoon. So check out their Telegram. A lot of people on there. Now their webpage is babyx.club. And they have a link to their Etherscan on there. They have a link to buy it from Uniswap. If you do buy it off Uniswap, though, you most likely are going to pay way more fees than Mexc Global. There's going to be gas fees, sometimes failed transactions where you got to pay more gas fees. There could be taxes and slippage. We'll try to find that in the tokenomics, though, in a second. They do have a link to CoinMarketCap where they're listed on there. Aave.ai, Dex Screener, Dex Tools, Dex View, and Uniswap. So you can find the chart on CoinMarketCap or Dex Tools if you want to see how the token's doing. Those links are on their webpage. Cool thing about Dex Tools, too, is they have audits on there. We're going to check that out in a second, see if there's any warnings on the audit. So it says this token is decentralized. A decentralized exchange is a cryptocurrency exchange which operates in a decentralized way without a centralized authority. It's an ERC20 token, and there is rewards, it says, from staking, compounding, dividends, bonus, and rewards. Guaranteed liquidity rewards for our members and merchant-friendly platform. Funds held within the Babyx protocol can earn rewards based on market demand for that asset or for our yield farming strategy partner. Vault remains safe with our strategic partner as a liquidity provider. So you can earn compounding liquidity from the LP pool rewards from our strategic partner, the new liquidity pool farming. Funds held within the digital Babyx protocol can earn rewards based on market demand for the asset or from yield farming. Now, they also have a referral program, so a hybrid centralized and decentralized solution, an open way, a concept that combines the Babyx finance project where you can invite your friends and earn cryptocurrency together, and there's a button that says enter now for the referral. You could check that out as well. So tons of rewards waiting for you at Babyx. And they have a super tool for the community. Check out the documentation for a quick start guide to grow your community and expand your business. Now, they do have a roadmap on here. So I guess they did have a pink sale pre-sale here. It was a whitelist pre-sale, it said. But basically, they started with team formation, then the mainnet DEX deployment, white paper, community formation, airdrop, KYC, Seifu audit, smart contract deployment, marketing, pre-sale, aggressive marketing, Uniswap, DEX tools, more aggressive marketing, and expanding to CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Crypto.com, Nomics, DappRadar, and aggressive marketing. And then we got the farms and pools, the referral program, Launchpad, exchange listings, Babyx NFT collection will be coming in the future, so stay tuned for that. Now, they do have a Medium article that you could check out. And let's go to their DEX tools chart because we could find some security audits there and some information. So market cap right now is $315,000, $44,000 liquidity, almost 1,000 holders. 24-hour trading volume is about $65,000. Now, they have no warnings on any of their audits. They have a 99.1% community trust score out of 113 votes. It says no buy and sell tax. Contract is verified. No honeypot. No proxy contract. No mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable. Cannot blacklist. Cannot pause transfers. And 4 different audits. One from GoPlus Security, one from Happy, one from Token Sniffer, and one from Quick Intel. So no warnings whatsoever on their audit. So that's great to see. So go check out this project, babyx.club. And you can find it newly listed on Mexc Global as of October 27th, 13 hours UTC time. So check out the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.